Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a sample problem from the ACT Math section that involves applying the law of sines. I recommend you pause this video, solve the problem on your own, and then compare your solution with mine. Alright, let's solve this problem. To the nearest 100ths, what is the measure of x in the right triangle shown below? Well, to solve this problem, we use the law of sines, which says that in a general triangle with sides A, B, and C, and angles alpha, beta, and gamma, the following relation holds. A to sine of alpha equals B to sine of beta, which is equivalent to C to sine of gamma. Now, let's use this relation to solve this problem. First, we find the missing angle alpha. We know that in every triangle, the sum of all angles equals 180 degrees. So we get alpha plus 26 plus 34 equals 180 degrees. 26 plus 34 gives us 60. So we get alpha equals 120 degrees. Now that we have found alpha, let's use the law of sines to find x. We get x to sine of 26 degrees equals 6 to sine of 120 degrees. Now we multiply both sides by sine of 26 degrees. And finally, using a calculator, we get that x is approximately 3.04. And that's it. The answer is C. Great. That's a typical problem that you may encounter on the ACT Math section that involves applying the law of sines. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.